Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Coinbase accounts in 2023. So if you're looking to learn how to withdraw money from your Coinbase account in 2023, you are in the right place. Coinbase is a widely used platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and even more. So in withdrawing funds, of course, is a fundamental part of the process of using it. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
So first, visit the Coinbase website. Go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to the URL section. Simply type coinbase.com, hit the enter button. From here, as you can see, you'll find yourself at this home screen or main screen. If you don't have an account already, you can go and check one of our videos on this channel how to create an account on Coinbase, or you can scroll down, read more information on Coinbase, and start creating your account right now. As you can see, if you click on start create an account, they'll ask you to go and download the Coinbase wallet, so you'll have to go and do that on your phone. So make sure to do so. If you have an account, click on sign in and simply enter your credentials here by entering your email address and password and accepting the terms and etc. At the moment, they have a problem, I guess, with their, as you can see, website. So I'm just going to use my phone to do so. So I'm using this Let's View, of course, to let's mirror the screen of my phone. And here's an example. I'm just going to scan this QR code and click on start now, and you'll be able to start viewing my screen of my phone, as you can see. So here's it. And of course, from here, I'm just going out now and I'm going to click on Coinbase wallets, not the normal one. So of course, this is could be used, of course, for other things if you want to. But even if you go in this, as you can see, you can sign in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you can also simply go and create an account for yourself. So the whatever you want. But make sure to not install the Coinbase. Make sure to install the wallet one. And of course, so let me just show you the difference between them. Let me go to Play Store or App Store, depending on whatever you have. Type Coinbase. As you can see, we have Coinbase buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. You will not have to go and download that. Scroll down a bit and make sure to download this Coinbase wallet, NFT, and crypto. This is what you will need. So go back, click on wallets here, and that's gonna be our wallet. So now if you're new to Coinbase, of course, first of all, you'll have to go and find your wallet. Click on Get Started. An example, you can get a free NFT by adding Ethereum or Magic to your wallet. So you can click on Get Started if you want to get a free NFT. And as you can see, we have here on chain. Sorry for that. So we have here. So I turn on like the sleep mode. So we have here, as we said, on chain summer celebration on of on-chain art, music, gaming, and more. You'll be able to see. So from here, you'll be able to see your transactions. If you made any transaction, as you can see, you'll be able to add a crypto to your wallet or tips for getting started. As an example, if you're new, if you click on it, you'll be taken to here, and as you can see, you'll find here tips and tutorials. So get practical step-by-step answer all everything. So let's start first of all by the idea of this video on how to withdraw money from Coinbase. So just click on maybe later. So what you will need to do, of course, to go to assets here at the bottom left. Once you go to assets, you find this option of buy and receive. If you click on buy, as you can see, you'll be able to transfer from Coinbase. So as you can see, Coinbase is a separate service that lets you buy crypto, connect, or sign up for an account. Now, click on transfer from Coinbase. And of course, here you'll have to sign in for your account. So click on sign in and make sure to sign in into your account. So as an example, let's just go and try to sign in and see. Let me just go and enter my password here. So now we'll have to simply go and confirm that from my email. So I'll open my browser, go to my Gmail or email provider. And here, as you can see, go to Coinbase and click a button to confirm this device. And the device is confirmed. So in my phone, as you can see here, your device is confirmed. Click on continue. And as you can see, here we are. So now we'll even need the other one as example. So of course I'll have to sign in again. It seems like they forgot. So click on continue. Here the password, it's just gonna be this. Click on continue again. And they will sign. Okay, I'll have to do that again. So let's just wait for it. and do the code. It should not take a lot of time, maybe. So I guess it's the last code. So 0959 and 05 and 7. And from here, of course, they will sign me into my account. So normally this should work at the moment. Yeah, it's working. So let's just wait for this until it loads. Here, I'll simply have to accept the terms, of course. So they tell me at the moment my country is not like available for this. So you'll be able to just use the wallet. You'll not be able to use the other one. So basically what you'll have to do, as you can see, buy or transfer crypto. So Coinbase is separate servers, lets you buy crypto or connect. Sign up for an account now and you'll be able to do so. So here in your assets, you'll find all the assets that you have and you'll simply go and click on buy on whatever assets you have, and of course from there instead of this page you'll receive like a place where you can put an address where you want to withdraw your money, maybe like the Binance wallet or MetaMask wallet or whatever you have. So simply you'll have to select the cryptocurrency and you'll find an option, this buy, or you'll find even withdraw option and choose the withdraw method. So you can select the withdraw method you want to use. And of course, Coinbase offers options like bank account transfers and PayPal, depending on whatever region you are in. And then you'll have to enter the withdrawal amount if you have it in dollars or whatever you want, and make sure to even provide, as we said, the destination address. For certain like cryptocurrencies you will need to provide a destination wallet address, and make sure you enter the correct address to avoid any issues. So simply you'll have to copy it and paste it here, so you'll not going to do it manually wrong. And make sure to double check all the details including the withdrawal amount and destination address. Once you're confident everything is accurate, confirm the withdrawal. And if you have two-factor authentication or 2FA enabled, which is recommended, of course you will need to provide the verification code sent to your phone or authentication app, and then the transaction will be confirmed as example. So after even confirming the withdrawal, Coinbase will process the transaction. You'll receive a notification or email once the withdrawal is initiated, and you'll have to wait for confirmation, then check your external wallets that you've withdrawn the money into, and check if you receive the money in 5 minutes or something like that, and you'll be good to go. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, and there you have it. Of course, you've successfully learned how to withdraw money from your Coinbase account in 2023. Whether you're transferring funds to a bank account or another wallet, remembering to double check all the details before confirming the transaction. And crypto transactions, of course, are irreversible, so accuracy is very, very, very important and crucial. So thanks for following this guide. Of course, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I'll see you, of course, in the next video. So if you have any issues, you can always leave them down below in the comment section. And goodbye.